Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I am filming from my very exotic lounge in Ely. You can see. I got sick of filming in my bedroom, and I'm sure you guys will get sick of seeing my bedroom as a backdrop, so I thought let's have a little bit of change in scenery. I also went really bright today. It's a bit dull and grey out, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna brighten things up, go with a nice summer dress. It's this long Topshop dress that I absolutely love. It's for tall people. They didn't have my height one because I'm quite short, so it's a bit big in the shoulders, but it's fine. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a sort of bridal summer makeup, but with a pop of color on the lips, and something that's really wearable, but also quite bright and fun. And yeah, so let's get started. So I've already double moisturized my skin. My skin's really dry at the moment from being inside all the time. So I popped some moisturizer on, and then I popped on some more just a minute ago. I used my Embryolisse, and you guys have seen me talk about this in another video. This is the one that's in my kit, and I have a big pump one in my bathroom. Yes, so when I do makeup, I always start with the eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm going to use Painterly Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. I love these because they create a lovely base, but are long wearing as well. So it's kind of like a double whammy, bit of colour on the eye, and also a bit of a primer. Next, I'm going to go with my Uptown Girl palette by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to start with this light grey as a little bit of a contouring color, and then I'm just gonna use this light pink to create a pop, and that's all I'm gonna go with today. I'm now going to pop on my Beauty Pie Wonder Gel eyeliner. I got this the other day before lockdown because I wanted to try something, see if it was on par with the Urban Decay liners that I was using. Urban Decay's closed all their shops in London other than Westfield, and so it was impossible for me to go and get the products I needed. And so far, so good. So we're going to pop on that and see how it goes. I'm going to get a little flat liner brush. Something like this to sort of buff it. And pardon me while I get my compact mirror out. So, I'm going to pop on my beloved Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and this is in number 2. Followed by Airbrush Flawless Foundation by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in number 5.5. Okay, next up I'm going to use my MAC, this is my Select Moisture concealer, and this number is NC20. I'm now just going to go back to the eyes quickly while my face sets. I'm going to take that grey tone again, and I'm going to pop that underneath the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of that pink. I'm going to reinstate a little bit of that in the inner corner. Now I want to add a little bit of warmth. Now I know that, wrong thing. I know that Bare Minerals don't have this anymore, but I know that they've come out with another bronzer. However, I still love this and I'm going to use it up until I'm done. This is my Invisible Bronze by Bare Minerals. You might be able to get it on some places, but they will have another bronzer which is probably just as amazing. So I'm going to take a blusher brush. Why am I forgetting words? And I'm going to start to sculpt a little bit. So I'm going to start around the cheek in circular motions. This is a sheer bronzer, so you can start to build up, and it has a nice sort of iridescence to it. I'm now going to add a pop of color on the cheeks. This is a MAC one. I can't remember the name. They probably discontinued it because that's usually what happens. But you'll be able to find a sheer tone blusher like this if you quite like that. MAC do sheer tone, just like the Invisible Bronze that I have on. You sort of just build up, and it has this lovely sort of iridescence to it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I'm not going to go to my brows. I'm going to use my Kiko Tuscan Sunshine Eyebrow Duo, and this one, let's see, we've got two colors here. If I can find them. Where is it? I don't think it says. Oh no, 03 and 04. So it's sort of a blonde and a brown. And I'm going to pop that through my brows. So what I'm going to do quickly is just comb out my brows. Nice and fluffy. I'm going to take the blonde first. And I have a lovely little felt tip. Next up is mascara. I'm going to use my favorite in my kit, which is the Kiko Luxurious Lashes, and it's a waterproof mascara. I recommend this to everybody. It's amazing. It really does last, and it gives some amazing lift and definition of the lash. Of course, it's always, the color is always in a number, and I think I've rubbed that off, so it's a quite a pinky color. So I'm going to go ahead and line with that. little bit of this color and a little bit of that color, and I'm gonna pop that over. Just a small amount, and then we are done. Oh yeah, and that's from... Right, there you go. That is my makeup look of the day. I wanted something a little bit bright, vibrant, something that could be worn for weddings or if you're a wedding guest, but with that little pop of pink, which is a bit fun. I only have 2 shadows on the eyes, not including the paint pot, so it's not like an overload of blending that you need to do. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them over to me, and I shall see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys.